Welcome back to our students. Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with our class that is e-business. That we have started with our fourth unit. The topic Bluetooth is our concern and today's subject and topic. So before going to start the class, as you people are aware of this modern technology or device that is nothing but the Bluetooth. Today we are going to learn about a basic historical part from where it has been came, what is the logo and sign, and what is the advantages of Bluetooth, what are the types, and how it's useful, what is the role of it. Now, as you know that Bluetooth is nothing but it is a wireless device or it's a protocol for wireless communication over short distance for a time period, and it was developed in the 1990s to reduce the number of cables. Typical Bluetooth applications are to connect a headset to a mobile phone or to connect a computer mouse, keyboard or printer. So not only that, we are not connecting only Bluetooth is not only for a mobile phone or a headset, but it is can be connected to a computer, mouse, or a keyboard and printer. You'll say how. I'll show you the pictures because the new technology has been in such a demand that each and everything is connected to a Bluetooth. Now, we'll go for a small historical part how the name Bluetooth came. See, the Bluetooth came from a king name Ericsson's Bluetooth logo, named after 10th century king of Denmark, Harald Bluetooth. He was ruling Denmark country as well as the Norway on those days. Now, again he has come back to Germany. The logo is a combination of two Germanic alphabets, Hagal and Barkanan, which resembles the initials of king name, and both these symbols have been merged to form a logo. Next, the symbol, if you see here, the symbol of the Bluetooth has been in a blue color, and the wave it has a combination of two words of the in German language. Now, if you see this picture, you people can able to understand how the Bluetooth is connecting to the personal system PC or a laptop or a mobile phone or a headphone or stereo device and the printer. Now, what is how the Bluetooth technology is useful and how it is useful? A Bluetooth technology is a high-speed, low-powered wireless technology link that is designed to connect phones or other portable equipment together. It is a specification for the use of low power radio communication to link phones, computers and other network devices over short distance without wires. As I was saying you that a Bluetooth is nothing but it is a device where it is used to connect to other wireless devices for transferring of data or videos or pictures or printer or some other information or data. Now, what are the features of Bluetooth? The key features of Bluetooth technologies are it is a less complication, less power consumption, available at a very cheaper rates and robustness. So everything, this is the basic things. As you know that complications are there, very less complications will be there, no headache will be there, risks will be very less. It will consume very less power. Electricity will not be taking place, most of charge will not be there more, and it will be available at a very cheaper rates are and is robustness. Robustness is also not there. Next, if you see here the picture, some more key features of Bluetooth are it is ultra low power consumption, low cost, small size, faster connection, and it is secure. Whereas variety of BLE applications it is used in healthcare and smart home automation, smart energy advertisement, and everything. Now, different types of Bluetooth technology. What are the different types of Bluetooth technologies are? They are having n number of, but few have been taking place for understanding the topic. The first one is Bluetooth headset, stereo headset, in-car Bluetooth headset, Bluetooth equipped printer, Bluetooth enables webcam, Bluetooth keyboard, Bluetooth GPS devices. I'm sorry, it's Bluetooth. Yeah. Now, the Bluetooth technology is a wireless technology. It is used to transfer the data between the different electronic devices in simple common parlance. See, it is a note for you also, and it is very important. And this will come for 2 marks and as well as for a long answer, because this is a new technology that has been come from past 10 or 12 years. Before 2000 it was not there, and it was in a huge demand. Day by day the technology is increasing and the demand is there. Now the Bluetooth technology, it that means what is the use of it? The distance is very less to it to transfer the data between two electronic devices. This technology does not require any kind of cables or cords and adapters to communicate with other devices. Now, if you see in the picture how the iPhone, laptop, computer, iPad, PSP, Sony, and these are the different kinds of companies, people, how they are connecting are sharing the data without cable wires or adapter or cord. Simply, how it is going with the help of Bluetooth technology. Now, what are the applications of Bluetooth? The wireless control of communication between a mobile phone and a hands-free headset. This was the one of the earliest applications to become popular, and wireless communications with personal computer input and output devices, the most common being the mouse, keyboard and printer. All these things were utilized in the Bluetooth, and these are the new applications of Bluetooth. Now, with the help of Bluetooth, we can transfer some files, contact details, calendar appointments, reminders between the parties and the devices with OBEX. In 2004, released cars like Toyota, Prius and Lexus in 430 have hands-free call system. In cars also many people, the Bluetooth has been installed where the people can share their data, listen to the music, news or whatever it may be, and they can communicate also. Sending small advertisements from Bluetooth enable advertising hoardings to other discoverable Bluetooth devices. In game consoles like Sony's PlayStation 3 and PSP Go use Bluetooth for their respective wireless controls. If you see on the screen, see how this Bluetooth is working in a number of applications. Now, what are the applications of Bluetooth? Other applications of Bluetooth are laptops, cellular phones, personal digital assistants, headset, printers, car, GPS. I will show you the pictures in upcoming slides how the Bluetooth is used in the car, in the printer, or in the GPS or headset, everything. Now, how the Bluetooth will work, or what is the working of Bluetooth? See, Bluetooth technology essentially works by using short range wireless communication technology to connect two devices together. That means within a short range of distance, it is connecting to two devices wireless. This eliminates the need for cables or wires. Bluetooth allows you to listen to music your from your mobile phone, tablet or iPad through wireless headphones. Not only that, if you see here, how does it work? See, the Bluetooth is a standard for tiny radio frequency chips that can be plugged into your devices. You see in the picture how it is connecting. It's very small. These chips were designed to take all of the information that your wires normally send and transmit it at a special frequency to a receiver Bluetooth chip. The information in the is then transmitted to your device. See, if you see on those days how it is connecting. Nowadays, it is helpful. Bluetooth is used in the headphone, and the mobile telephone, scanner, notebook pad, projector, DVD player, huh? Mobile disk drive, digital camera, refrigerator, info, printer, personal digital assistants. All these things you can see how the Bluetooth is coming. Now, I am going to show you the different types of Bluetooth. The first one is Bluetooth headset. Nowadays it has become very easy for the individuals not to carry cell phones while driving or riding. So they can utilize the Bluetooth and keep in the ears, and they can communicate, or they can pass the information or correct the information from the receiver or the sender, whom it may be. It has become very easy nowadays while walking and talking has been become easy for the peoples or the organizations. These are the stereo headsets. With the help of this, the peoples while riding they can communicate and they can listen to the music. What is it in the cell phone? And now this is another type of stereo headphone where we can communicate. The mic is also there, and headphone we can go for it. Now in car Bluetooth headset, two in one. That means in vehicle Bluetooth headset is there. If you see the picture, we are going the driving, and here the Bluetooth you can play the music or whatever things you can go for it. Now Bluetooth equipped printer. So with the help of our device, we are just scanning it and we are just sending it, commanding the thing, and that we are getting the output. So these are the Bluetooth equipped printer. Now Bluetooth enables webcam. Here the web cameras is also there. Small color camera, pen cameras, mini. Here just I have collected one or two few webcams Bluetooth enables for your explanation. I hope students you are getting the topic. Now this is the Bluetooth keyboard. See the Bluetooth keyboard, it is connected with the help of this whatever typing will, it will fulfill the command what we are giving to it. Now Bluetooth GPS. See Bluetooth GPS is a device where we are having internal antenna, external antenna, battery status, GPS status, Bluetooth status, external power, power switch. It's a kind and it will control our GPS, how it is work, where we are, what are the things we will come to. So all these things will be taking place, and these are the new things where the technology is increasing and saving the time, money, efforts of organization as well as individual. Now we are having some advantages of Bluetooth. Bluetooth devices are wireless. Bluetooth technology is inexpensive. Bluetooth is automatic. It will share voice and data. Not only that, it will share the pictures, videos, whatever it may be. It will consume very less energy and accessible from anywhere. Whenever if you are staying in some other place and you want so and so, so you will think all these things. So these are the different kinds of advantages of Bluetooth. I repeat once again, what are the different types of advantages of Bluetooth? It is the Bluetooth device. With the help of Bluetooth device, it is a wireless. It will look good. It is not. It will be very lightweighted, and it is very less expensive. It will work automatically. Just you have to click on the button on the smartphone or the iPhone phone. Now it will share the voice, data, video, audio, everything. It is consume very less energy from your part like mobile or charger. Accessible, that means from anywhere you can access the data or information. So these are the various kinds of advantages of Bluetooth. Now we will learn what is the difference between Wi-Fi and a Bluetooth. See the difference between the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth, we will have some characteristics like frequency. How much the frequency should be there? 2.4, and here also we need 2.4 hazards of this. Now range, for Bluetooth we need 10 meters, whereas for Wi-Fi we need 100 meters. Data transfer, how many data can be transferred? 800 kbps, whereas in Wi-Fi only we can that means we are having 800 kbps, but in Wi-Fi 11 Mbps is there. Now power consumption, it will consume very low power, it will consume medium power. Primary devices, mobile phones, PDAs, computer electronics, office and industrial automatic devices. Where coming to the Wi-Fi, it will work on notebook computers, desktop computers, servers. Users, primary users of Bluetooth, traveling, and travelers will use office and industrial workers, electronics consumers. Coming to the Wi-Fi, corporate offices, campuses, business or conference venues or conference hall are in a very big events. All this is the difference between how the Bluetooth is differ from Wi-Fi. Now we are having next topic, that is telecommunication. See, as you know, the telecommunication, tele itself only, it came from the Latin word. communication. That means it is talking about its Greek word. Tele means exchanging of ideas or information. Communication, it means from a distance. Now, from Latin communication, referring to the social process, here a spelling mistake has been done. Yeah. Social process of information of exchange, and the Greek prefix tele means distance, and the transmission of by the transmission of information by various types of technologies over wire, radio, optical, or other electromagnetic systems. So all these things are there. Now, some of the examples of telecommunication systems are telephone network, the radio broadcasting system, computer network, and the internet. The nodes in the systems are the devices we use to communicate with such a telephone or a computer. So I'll show you some more pictures. See, telecommunication is how it is connecting with the whole world. It is connecting. Now, another one. Telecommunication is an important tool for business. This is the rule. What is the role of telecommunication? Here we are going to learn. It enables companies to communicate effectively with customers and deliver high standards of customer services and goods, and that to be in a standard time of period. Mobile communications can help maintain communications capability of employees working in remote location or at home. Not only in the company but from at home also they can control it. Now, telecommunications are the means of electronic transmission of information over distances. The information may be in the form of a voice telephone, calls, data, text, images, or video. Today, telecommunications are used to organize more or less remote computer systems into telecommunications network. So, what is happening here? It is nothing but the communication is taking place with the help of from the distance, from one place to another place, from one person to another person, from one country to another country, from one time to another time, and the work is running. As you know, the weather broadcast will be due for the timing, hourly timing, as Greenwich time, standard time, GST will be default. So here, what's happening in India now? It is 12:30 p.m. But whereas in Japan it is 4 or 5 p.m. Coming to Saudi or in the Middle East it is 10 o'clock, and if we are going to Europe, just it is morning sessions. The time is different, but at the same time, with the help of this communication, telecommunication, we can exchange the information or data. Now, we are having telecom analyst. See, telecom communication is different. Telecom analyst is different. Telecom analyst encompasses sophisticated business intelligence, that is BI, business intelligence technologies, that are packed to satisfy the complex requirements of telecom organizations. This includes increasing sales, reducing the fraud, improving risk management, and decreasing operational cost. So with the help of this, we can able to identify the data, and the data scientists and analysts use data analyst techniques in this research, and the business also use it to inform their decision. So what is happening with the help of data analyst? It will be easy to run the business in which way, in what form, and it will be also helpful to take the decision. For taking the decision, what sort of things should have to be taken place. For example, in this lockdown, many people are not traveling to different places. How the product should have to come, or how the business people will utilize their advertisement, e-advertisement. So with the help of social media, with the help of that means the data, scientist people will collect the data, and with the help of that, they will work on it, they will identify the problem, and they are going to solve it. So the data analysts can help companies better understand their customers, evaluate their and campaigns, personalized content will be there, create content strategies, and develop products. What are the things should be need of the in the product? What are the new features are in need in the future? Everything will be there. Now, if you see the picture, you can able to understand how it is working. So the big data analysts, what they will do, they are with the help of social media, they are gathering the information, and the business intelligence with the help of this data, they will take the decision what to do, and they will predict the analyst what is the things we have to go for. Then the telecommunications and the telecom analyst will focus on what things should be needed, and it has become a quick change. So I hope students you have understand the topic of today's what is Bluetooth, telecommunication and teleanalyst. So if you are having any kinds of doubts, please inform me, and by at the same time please mention your attendance in the comment box. Have a nice